really linear, or is everything happening all at once? Let's start by defining what we mean by linear time. We perceive time as a straight line from point A to point B, from past, present to future traditionally. This is the concept that we're most familiar with. It also aligns with our everyday experiences and the way we record history. However, there are other perspectives of time, such as cyclical and vertical time. Cyclical time, often found in Eastern philosophies, views time as a series of repeating cycles. Vertical time, which is a less common concept, suggests that different moments in time exist simultaneously in a vertical stack. A fascinating concept that challenges our linear perception of time is retrocausality. This idea suggests that future events can influence present events. Although this seems counterintuitive, there are scientific experiments that provide intriguing evidence. In these experiments, participants' physiological responses change before they are shown a randomly selected image. This indicates that their bodies anticipate the future emotional impact of the image. Classical physics, including Newton's laws and electromagnetism, treat time as symmetric. That is, there is no inherent direction to time. This is also true in the microscopic world of quantum mechanics, where the laws of physics apply the same way forward and backward in time. The blurring of cause and effect at the quantum level challenges our macroscopic everyday experiences of time. Another intriguing theory is the block universe theory. This theory suggests that past, present, and future all exist simultaneously. Imagine that the universe is a loaf of bread. Each slice represents a moment in time. According to this idea, time is another dimension and every moment is equally real. This challenges our conventional notion of time and also raises questions about free will and determinism. Now, despite these mind-bending theories, it is important to know that our everyday experiences follow a clear direction of time, known as the arrow of time. This concept is closely tied to the second law of thermodynamics, which states that entropy or disorder tends to increase over time. This gives time a direction, from order to disorder, which is important for processes like evolution, which rely on a sequence of cause and effect. But what about the present? Philosophically, the present can be broken down into finer fragments, which makes it difficult to pin down. Additionally, the speed of light affects our perception of distant events. We see stars as they were years ago, not as they are now, reminding us that our experience of the present is always slightly in the past. Finally, let's consider the implications of these theories on free will. If time is not linear, and if the future can affect the present, what does that really mean for our choices? Are we just following a predetermined path, or do we have the power to shape our destiny? This question has left scientists and philosophers puzzled alike. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the Witching Hour podcast, coming soon.